Hi, welcome. This is the first video in a series of 4 videos looking at some basic arrangement skills. This video is focusing on melody. The second video that I'll be doing will be focusing on some harmony. The third video will look at a basic form of embellishment. And the fourth video will be looking at how to put a drum track into this particular program. Okay, so this first track we're looking at a melody, and a melody tends to be the pitch of the notes that a singer might sing. Okay, if you were to draw a line through all the note heads, you'd end up with this shape of notes going up and down with pitch. So this is the part that we're going to be notating into this program using some features. So by the end of this, hopefully you'll have some ideas on how you might input your own melody and create your own songs. So let's get into this program. So here we are in Musescore 3. At the time of this recording, this is the version of the program that I was using. So the first thing we need to do is start a new project. So here's where we can put in the title. So we're going to be using the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, you can put a subtitle. I'm not the original arranger of this song, or the original composer, should I say. I'm more doing an arrangement, so that's why I put that in there. You might have somebody else writing the lyrics for a song, and you might have some copyright info that you might want to put in there. So let's continue. Here's where you can set up your manuscript. So we're going to be using the treble clef for this one. You can select bass clef, grand stave, or you might be doing a band ensemble. So you want to select those. So we're going to go back to treble clef and continue. Here's where you can set up your main key signature. For this song, we're just going to have no sharps or flats. This is where you can deal with the time signature. So we're going to be doing 4/4. And then check the number of bars. This song is only going to have 12 bars. By default, this may be set to 32, so change that to 12. And then click Done. So now we've set up the basic page for putting our melody in. So next thing is to put the notes in. So up here is where we've got the different note types. We're going to be using the crotchet or quarter note and the minim or half note. Now to click these notes in, you've got to select the note input button over here. Now these are active to be able to click in here. So as you can see, I can bring my mouse down here, and for this first note we're going to be using middle C. Okay, the next note I know repeats in sound. Okay, now the next one, there's a bit of a leap. Twinkle, twinkle, sort of jumps up in pitch if you can sing it. Now if you happen to click the wrong note in, there's a few ways you can deal with that one. You've got the undo button up here, or if you click in a wrong note, you can use your up and down arrows. So I'm going to use the up arrow. And if you keep pressing it, you'll chromatically move up. And if you press it down, you can chromatically move that down. Okay. The next note I know is a repeated sound. The next note I know is it being a step higher. Another repeated sound. And then finishing, so this is twinkle, twinkle, little star. The word star has a longer sound to it. So let's put that minim in there, because the minim goes for 2 beats. So let's have a listen to that so far. Okay, so that's the first 2 bars of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. To make this little project interesting, my challenge to you is to be able to work out the rest of this. So by being able to hit the play button, you can hear what sound we've gotten up to, and then make a decision. Is it going to be a step higher or a step lower? Is it going to be a leap higher or a leap lower as you're trying to work out these notes? Okay, so have a go at it. Put in the main melody notes, and then see if you can finish all 12 bars before my next video. Okay. So, hopefully you've been able to learn some of the basic features of this program. So we've covered basic notes using crotchets and minims. We've looked at filling in the basic score layout with your title, who's the composer, the time signature and the number of bars. In the next video I'll be looking at basic harmony, and so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in knowing more about these videos and when they actually get published.